Burpa.
Purple slime. It fell off. You didn't get the full effect.
Do you want blue in your face?
No. Let's not do that. Let's just make a purple slime. Purple slime.
A purple. See, but look, it's blue.
Blue purple.
Purple.
Blue purple. You have to pat it.
I got you. I'll figure it out.
What hit you?
I don't even know. I just had a song in my head.
A mean spell.
Oh yeah, this is part 2 of making purple slime
With my grandma.
with my great grandma. Like I said, she's not very old. She looks old though.
I think I said that.
And me.
You want to wear this?
Yeah.
Eat it. Ooh no. Ooh no. Ooh no.
That's gross.
Try it again.
No.
Get some barbecue sauce. Get some barbecue sauce and add to it. You can say it's purple.
There's an amazing purpleness. Catch. Yes, clean. Huh?
You too funny.
I know. Why are you laughing back there?
Cameraman's tickled. Turn around, cameraman.
Camera woman.
We just call him cameraman. He's holding the camera.
Proof.
Camera person.
Bye, queens.